Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to share a TikTok video link. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone and we can find a video that I want to share the link of. And for example, I'm going to share this video. I'm going to share the link of this video to my friends, and we can click on the share button. Okay, and we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the more option. And if you want to get the link of this video, you just need to click on this button or this icon to copy the link. Okay, and now the link has been copied and we will be able to share the link of this video to our friends. And that's so easy, right? I guess and that's how we can share a TikTok video link. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.